Hi, this is Shivam Gaur, and in this video we are going to learn PROC import. We are going to read Excel file through this processor PROC import. In SAS1 folder we have a sales file again. We are going to read this file. Here this is a sales file where we have a two sheet Australia and United States. So in PROC import we have to mention the data file. First we mention data file equals to the path till the file name. So data file, what is that? Data file equals to option tells SAS where to find the Excel file that you want to import. Another one is a out equals to dataset name. So out equals to option tells SAS to create a dataset with any name of your choice. By default, the import data is saved in work library. Another one is a DBMS option. DBMS equals to identifier. We are reading an Excel file, so we mention here Excel identifier. DBMS equals to option tells us the type of file to read, which type of file we want to read. Here we are reading Excel one. Now another one is replace here. Replace is used to override the existing SAS data set mentioned in the out equals to option. And this is a one statement from here to here. Okay, now next statement is sheet statement. In Excel file, in sales Excel file, we have a two sheet, Australia and United States. So we have to mention which sheet we want to read, right? Which sheet we want to import. So I mention a sheet equals to Australia in quotation mark. Another option is get name equals to yes. So what is that now? Get name equals to yes tells us to use the first row of data as a variable name. See, in this sheet we are getting the column name in first row, so we need to tell SAS that we have to read the first row of the sheet as a variable name. So for that we are using here get name equals to yes. You can use no also. Sometimes you are getting data where you don't have column name in first row, so there you can mention the get name equals to no. By default is get name equals to yes. Another statement is data row equals to 10. Suppose in this sheet you want to skip first 10 rows. You don't want to read the first 10 rows or 11 rows, right? So there you can use data row equals to option. It is used to specify starting row from where SAS would import the data. Okay, so I mentioned here data row equals to 10. I mentioned in the comments, okay, I don't want to read, I want to read a full sheet, so I will comment this thing. To comment the statement, we are using here asterisk symbol before anything, and in last we have to mention the colon, semicolon. Now I will run this program. Here you can see data work.sales 3 dataset was successfully created. It's in a work library here. Here we are getting Australia. So this is how we are reading Excel file through PROC import. Thank you.